Hello everyone, welcome to Hasasha Motivated channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, watch my channel always.
Hello there. In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to merge PDF files online using online2pdf.com. Online2PDF is a free web-based tool that allows you to merge multiple PDF files into one document. Here are the steps.
So in your Google, you will put that merge PDF using online PDF. Then when you search, it will take you to this page. So this is the link that we will click on. When you click on merge and join your PDF files online and free, it will load and take you to the official page of online2pdf.com. Yeah, so this is how the page looks like. Yeah, so the next thing is to select the files that you want to merge, the documents that you want to merge. So you either go to your folder, you either click there, then it takes you to the folder, or just drag and drop your files, like 2-3 files that you want to merge. Then we start up the process. So now I'll go to my folder. Let me try to minimize here. I go to my folder, look for the documents. I want to merge some documents. So it will take me to the folder where my documents are. So I'm going to select 3 documents. So I'll select 3 documents. Then I drag and drop them. I'll drag and drop them to the site, to that part that has select all, select files. So those are the 3 documents that we want to merge. So after that, those are the 3 documents that we are going to merge. So from there, we look at the format. You can change the format if you want. If you still want it in Word, you can select, but the default is PDF, the default format. So after that, you click on convert. When you click on convert, it will convert. So here it's saying your files are being uploaded. After the files have been uploaded, it will convert them into one document. It will merge them into one document. Yeah, it's on file 2. Then it will go to file 3. When it's complete, it will download automatically to your PC. So here it says the file will download immediately. If it doesn't download immediately, so here I will click start so that it downloads. But if it doesn't download immediately, there is an option for there's the other option behind for manual download. You click on manual download and it will download automatically. So I can now open the folder to see the downloaded files. So when the folder opens, A to Z memory verses, the files have been successfully merged. Yeah, that is the file that I have successfully merged. So by so doing, so when you open the file, this is what you will see. You will see a fully merged document, all your documents. will be merged into one. You may use this software to merge your academic transcripts, all your certificates, all your documents, anything you want. You can merge using this website online to pdf.com.
And that's it. You have successfully merged multiple PDF files into one document using online2pdf.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.